Okay guys, so this is just a real quick one today, and it is literally just to show you how to program your Hobbywing system, how to get your endpoints set up. The video I'm going to show you in a moment is actually taken from the little unboxing video I did, the little setup video I did with my new transmitter. But just instead of you watching the whole 10-minute long video, you know, it'll get straight to the point. It will show you how to set up your endpoints so you can get going as quick as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Feel free to like and leave a comment. Yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Guys, so I've got a battery in this now. What I'm going to do is actually adjust the endpoints on the ESC itself. So we do this by holding the set button on the actual on and off switch there. Hold the set button down, the transmitter is on, hold the set button down and press the power switch. Okay, so it'll begin to flash and sound a little beep just like that. So we leave the throttle in the neutral position and press the set button. One green flash there. And then what we're going to do after that is pull the throttle all the way to the full throttle position. Full throttle position. So all the way down, and then press the set button again. You get 2 flashes. And now what we're going to do is go all the way full brake, and then press the set button again, and you get 3 flashes, and then let go. And that is it, guys. That is all there is to it. The endpoints are adjusted. I'm just going to go through the actual manual for the MAX8 itself, have a look at all the different options available to me, and then yeah, hopefully this is a much needed upgrade over the STX2. I hope that gave you a little idea of how to actually set up the endpoints on your Hobbywing system. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure you subscribe for future updates. So there'll be more how-tos, more unboxings, more reviews, and just some really good RC related content. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you hit that button guys. Cheers, see you soon.